Haka Jing Ialang Jong Kynhun Myntri ka balalong menta ka singi ka shipho tarik ujembang R1000 R4R kalapdiang ya ka roster system nagabenta ban pentrai kam ya ka reservation policy lapdiang ru ya ka rai ban shna ya ka model degree college hapatar khma ribhoi district bat ban thau ya ki post nagabenta ka ne ka college Kawai ka rai ka balapdiang ka long ka notification halor ka Meghalaya human immunodeficiency virus and acquired immune deficiency syndromes rules R1000 R4R.
Today, and we have finally approved the roster system for the implementation of the reservation policy. So that was the main discussion that took place today. The second subject was regarding the approval for establishment of the model degree college at Patalkhama, and also the approval for the creation of posts. So that also was approved today in the cabinet. And the third subject that was approved today was the notification of the Meghalaya human immunodeficiency virus and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome rules 2022. So these are the three decisions that were taken in the cabinet. You see, roster system is very simple. Roster system requires, as you're aware, that in a roster system there is the reservation policy comes in terms of the number. I mean, I can only explain it when I give an example to you. We had implemented the roster system even for the physically challenged and disabled people, and in that there's a reservation of 4%. So how roster system works is very simple. That only if any recruitment had 25 posts, would one post go to the physically challenged people. But then now with the roster system coming in, suppose there is a 10 posts that are there, then then of course there will not be any reservation for the physically challenged. And then again the next, if there are 15 posts that have come out for recruitment, then the 15th post will go to the physically challenged. So the roster system ensures that the reservation policy is implemented in letter and spirit. So that's the whole purpose. And with the roster system in place, that is what will be followed. And that was a requirement for the High Court.